Baltimore, the harbor, amazing. The culture, the food, the architecture, history, amazing. I was really surprised as to how diverse, historic, and beautiful Baltimore is. I am thrilled to be here today. With that being said, I'm gonna indulge in this amazing dessert. So, peace, stay tuned, and always exercise. Look at this. Is everybody happy Saturday? I hope everyone is having a great day. It's 6:58 this Saturday morning and I'm here in downtown Baltimore doing an exploring session and watching the sunrise. It's majestic. This place here is beautiful. Like, come on. This is all about life, you know. It's about exploring, getting up early, getting a really good night's sleep, and all that stuff. And by the way, I'm getting ready to go to Camden Yards today to watch a baseball game. It's at 4:30 today. They play the Texas Rangers. Should be epic. Peace.
Camden Yards is about a rail yard. It was a rail yard before it was anything else. The building you see in front of you here, the long brick building, is the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad Warehouse, built in the early 20th century. It used to contain storage for shipments of freight, the corporate offices, everything that the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad had. Now it is Orioles offices and other businesses that keep this building, you know, here. There was a story that they were going to tear this beautiful building down to build the stadium when somebody came up with the great idea to incorporate the building into the backdrop of the stadium.
Interesting.
So
let me ask you something. So these rail tracks that I actually see here, are these part of the railroad?
What happened, the railroad used to come, they used to have a rail line that came all the way through, and now it's been reduced to a commuter line and a parallel group of tracks for the light rail.
Okay.
So it's a trolley like.
Yeah, I actually saw this morning. I was actually taking a little bit of a scope in the area before I actually came. Thank you so much, John, for this information. I appreciate it.
Nobody's better than me. What do you see? Give it all. Yeah, all that I got, I give it everything. They lost the plot, they think I'm medicine. They wanna talk, but I ain't said
al estadio de Baltimore Orioles. Estoy aquí con la chiquilina, a.k.a. Valeria Lara, desde Colombia. Nos vino a visitar nosotros para ver el juego, pero nada, es un estadio muy lindo. Hemos tenido una bonita experiencia hasta ahora. Y nosotros estamos aquí representando a los Yankees de New York y no nos han sacado todavía. Pues vamos a ver si sobrevivimos a este juego.
What do you think when people look at me? 100 degrees tougher than Booker T. Couldn't agree more, but could it be? I think higher than them all. Truthfully, my pen fire and then some. Apply the addendum. Take this whole thing for ransom. Give it all I got for attention. Nah, the mention of life well lived, for instance. Give it all.
Session, baby. Awesome.
I love when the good news coming in on a day-to-day. Already know what's happening, I don't gotta shake the hay. Big moves, big stepper in the right direction. The trip continues, every W's a psychedelic. Journey over accolades, divvy up the accolades and tell them boys to have a day. And I let her get. Give and take, and I let her.
No, estamos en vacaciones, como dicen la gente. Y vamos a utilizar el hammer para darle en la cabeza. Andy, pleasure meeting you, brother. Thank you for your service.
Swam with sharks on how to bite my way out fishing nets. Yeah, I see the light at the end of the juice. Got me swinging for the fence. Always look the light through a different lens.
Oh yeah, baby, it's going down. I am gonna indulge. I need something to block away the awesomeness that is about to happen right now. So let's start with this one. Fantastic.
All right.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Woo-hoo.
I'm so hypnotized.
Permission to come aboard, Captain. Thank you.
It's a strange kind of phase when you let go. Let your life flow like a river. Break away from material ego. You never know what's around the corner for you. We all got our beefs and struggles, but we keep on trying to hide it. Working so hard to keep it together. Maybe it's time that we let go. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. So we're moving on one step at a time to something better. We're moving on one step at a time to something better. Maybe the day will be better. Deep in a world of secrets, that's where you find the magic. Easy to disbelieve it. Difficult
Cuernito,
to
¿cómo debe sentirse cuando nos vayamos?
Vamos, cuernitos. Esas son cosas de ella, mamá.
Yo no lo obligo, él solito me sale, natural.
Ahí vamos, mira, porque usualmente yo soy como el que siempre le estoy dando el itinerario, pero hoy la voy a dejar que ella sea la que fluya. Cuando ella quiera moverse, se mueve. Cuando uno tiene la mano, tiene que ser así.
Que todo fluye, que nada influya.
We're moving on one step at a time to something better.